Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Aisha Food Fun Fusion. Today we are going to share with you the yummiest recipe of pindi chole, fried chane. For this recipe we use 1 cup boiled chickpeas, 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes, 1 medium-sized thinly sliced onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped green coriander, 4 to 5 green chilies, half a cup of cooking oil. The spices are tablespoon heat cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder or as per taste, half a teaspoon of salt or as per taste, half a teaspoon of amchur powder, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chicken flavor, pinch of dried fenugreek leaves, dry methi. It is an authentic recipe of pindi chole. Please follow all the steps. Don't skip the video at any stage. I hope you definitely try this recipe. If you like our recipes, please like, subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for my latest videos. Please check the description box for the ingredients which are in Urdu and also written in English. For the recipe, please watch the full video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First we add half a cup of oil in the saucepan. It is a non-stick pan, so after adding the oil, now we turn on the stove. Now we add 1 medium thinly sliced onion. We fry it until it's dark brown. While cooking, we stir it continuously so it gives an even dark brown color. As the onion turns dark brown, we turn off the stove and remove the brown onion from the oil. We discard this onion and only use this flavored oil. Now we add 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. We mix it and then we add all its spices. Mashallah, it looks so tasty. The fragrance is so amazing. Please definitely try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your friend and family, and also share our recipes with your friends and family. Wow, it looks so yummy, so tasty. At this stage, we add boiled potatoes. Now we add green chilies, some coriander leaves chopped. We cover it, we cook it on low flame. We cook it for just a minute, then we turn off the stove and then we serve it.